Next one, dipping in salt. The challah is dipped in salt before it is eaten, because it shows more respect for the bracha when the challah tastes best way possible, right? So the commentary point out that this is the reason did not apply today, since our bread do not need additional salt added to them. Okay, so let's continue reading. I want to see what he says and we explain. However, additional reasons are offered as to why we dip challah in salt. Our tables are compared to Mizbeach, and the carbonos were salted. Also, salt protects from evil punishments. Many are particular to dip into salt even during the week, not only on Shabbos. So let's try to understand. So dip in the salt. I'm surprised he did not mention 3 times. So there is actually custom to dip into salt, like after you cut your bread, pita, whatever you eat, still bread. So you dip 3 times into salt, but if you want, no problem. So an original explanation was it from Mishneh because it's going to taste better. But today they especially if you buy challah, even if you do it yourself, doesn't matter. It's usually perfect. I mean, me personally, I like to add a little salt, but it's personal preference, right? So right, but some commentaries say today Tosafos Brachos. Okay. So I'm not sure. This is some commentaries from Tosafos. It's from many hundreds years ago, so it's very interesting. So they say maybe today does not apply, but okay, we still do it. So, but the second reason, so our table, our dining table, is considered at the altar. Like, and when we bring, when we put the food on the table, it's like we bring into the altar, and when we say all of the blessing, we sanctify, and these foods around our table becomes holy. So, and if you read in the Torah, it says, "So I give you a covenant of salt." So this salt, meaning on altar, was always salt. They would salt the meat. So it's proper on your table. Always on, for example, a person have 2 tables, like dining tables and counter, the top table, right? Counter at what you can eat, right? So make sure that on all of these tables you have salt. Very important, right? And the third reason, they say the salt protects from evil punishments. So Rima. So Rima is not into Midrashim. He's into Halachah. So if he says that's what it is, right? Okay. So and very interesting. The last sentence says many have a particular custom to eat bread and salt even during the week. But that's what we do. I mean, when you're going to say blessing, when you're going to say chamot, we dip into the bread into the salt. Okay, a few minutes.